Hi there, folks. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're diving into a variety of Asian noodles, perfect for any meal and packed with flavors that'll make your taste buds dance a jig. We're starting with our versatile veggie noodles, a staple in Asian cuisine. Let's start by prepping our veggies. We'll stir-fry the red onions, carrots, red pepper and sugar snaps until they're tender. Add your tofu cheese, our savory soy sauce and sweet chili sauce. Toss in the cooked noodles and top with sesame seeds and a lightly scrambled egg. And there you have it, basic veggie noodles ready to go. For those who fancy a bit of fish, let's turn these noodles into a seafood delight. We're making veggie noodles with tuna. Simply sear fresh tuna cubes until they're lightly cooked and mix them into the prepared veggie noodles. Remember, this dish contains fish, soy, eggs and sesame, so keep that in mind if you have any allergies.